Welcome to another Spot On special. I'll be making a stop at Porsche's High Performance Lounge in Bingen to charge both my and the Macan's batteries. Porsche's first ever charging lounge is situated right here in Bingen, Germany, with more charging lounges set to follow. Access to the lounge is exclusively granted to individuals with a registered Porsche. I have the new Porsche Macan right here, so let's go and see for ourselves what the lounge has to offer. To get to the lounge grounds, you have to gain access through the barrier first. To authenticate yourself at the gate, you have several possibilities. So let's do a few laps and look into these possibilities. The first option is to use the Porsche Charging card, which is automatically delivered to you after activating your Porsche charging service. Simply hold the charging card at the access point and the gate will open. Now another option is to use the QR code from the My Porsche app. You need to generate it once and then you can also store it, for example, in the Apple Wallet. Simply open the app and then click on your vehicle. With the vehicle overview, you can select functions and then the Porsche Charging Lounge. Your entry QR code will be shown here. Now simply hold up your phone so the QR code can be scanned to open the gate. Alright, let's try this one last time. Look at that, the gate opened automatically. Now how did I do that, you might ask? Easy. The camera at the gate recognized my license plate. In order for this to work, you simply need to save your license plate in the My Porsche app.
In the same menu where you can access your QR code for the charging lounge, you can save multiple Porsche license plates to gain easy access. As you can see, access is completely trouble-free and adapts to your convenience.
After gaining access, simply follow the arrows on the ground, which lead you around the building straight to the charging stations. The drive around the building is intentional and supports an effective driving flow. This way, the exit and the stations will not be blocked by another car or a queue. Now that we've arrived at the charging station, let me show you how to charge your Porsche.
We want to fast charge. This is the DC charging station right here, which can charge super fast with up to 400 kilowatts.
The charging port is right here. With the electric charging cover that is optional for the Porsche Macan, I can open it with just one hand. It opens automatically without me having to press any button. Now, let's grab the cable. Conveniently, the cable is designed for you to reach each port location of your car, no matter in which direction you parked. The light right here indicates that the vehicle is now connected with the charging station. Now you can start the charging process by activating it on the station with your charging card, the My Porsche app, or the plug-and charge option. While charging, you can monitor the progress in the My Porsche app, inside your car, or directly at the charging station. While my Porsche is charging, I can explore what else this place has to offer. Porsche's made sure that you can take care of your car outside of just the charging prospect. That is why you can find air pumps for your tire pressure on the charging lounge grounds, as well as a windscreen wiping station. So, I'm going to go inside, get a nice warm cup of coffee, and I'll see you there.
Entry to the inside of the lounge is gained via the same QR code you used at the front gate. Or alternatively, you can use your charging card. Simply hold it right here. Now that we're inside, we can see that the HPC Lounge is more than just a place to charge your Porsche. You can enjoy a luxurious and comfortable space to take a break from your drive. Right here is the vending machine where you can buy some snacks. But of course, a big necessity is also the option to get a coffee. I can pay by card or with my phone. While your Porsche is charging, you can also spend your time with the body and smart mirror. It offers you several options to engage. For example, with stretching exercises, a brain teaser, or a mindful meditation. Next to the mirror, you can see a big red button just asking to be pressed. However, this here is the emergency button, which will tell the police to immediately rush to the lounge. So, only press it in case of an emergency. Oh, and by the way, the Porsche Charging Lounge is under video surveillance. Now, let's take a look at the current charging status of the Macan. For that, I can use the My Porsche app. Just open up the app, and click on your vehicle. See right here? That means we're ready to go.
All right, the car has finished charging. Now let me put the cable back into the charger. The electrical charging cover of the Macan will close automatically, so I don't have to do anything else and can get back onto the road. Now, in case you want to see a receipt of your last charge, you can always check the My Porsche app. It might just take a few seconds for the most recent charge to come up. Exiting the lounge is just as easy as entering it. Simply drive to the gate and it'll open automatically. Have fun driving your Porsche, and I'll see you guys in the next video.